guys, so welcome to my vlog channel. So we are in Hawa Hawaii. It is called Hawa Hawaii and e-rickshaw also. Hawa Hawaii in Bihar and e-rickshaw here in Noida. And in Mumbai there is no e-rickshaw. So as you can see, we all are sitting. They are my nephews, and here also you can see my nephew. And yeah, the thing is that we are going to GIP Mall. Actually, what we have planned tomorrow is my Jisu's birthday, and I have not told him that I'm going to buy any gift for him. It is going to be very first time when I'm going to buy a gift for him. It is going to be quite surprise for him. Okay, so we are going. Let's see what we come across, and after that, whatever we do tomorrow, I'll shoot that video. So thank you very much. Stay connected, everyone. So guys, in Mumbai, I never get to sit in e-rickshaw because there is no e-rickshaw. So finally, we reached the shopping mall. As you can see, this is the entrance of the shopping mall, and here in Noida there are so many shopping malls, guys. One of them is of course the GIP Mall. You can also see Wave One, Center Stage Mall, Logix Mall. There are so many shopping malls, my God, So here, this is the GIP Mall, and here we have come to purchase one T-shirt for my Jiju so that I can give him a particular gift. So here we have reached. This is Zudio, but here we did not get anything. In Zudio, all the T-shirts and shirts were not up to the mark. Means I did not like any. So after that, we planned to. We are at the mall, and it's really very confusing to select. What I was saying, that it's very confusing to select any dress for any person if you don't know his or her choice. Having said that, see, I have seen so many dresses. So finally, I am going for this for my Jizu. This one. Let's see whether he likes it or not. But I have seen so many, so many dresses. Then I sent one picture to Khushbu, and she also agreed with the same. So I thought if two people are going to like, then of course it could be the good choice. So I'm going to take this. So going to pay for it. See you later. Fine, guys. So finally I have taken one T-shirt from this shopping mall, and now we are going back to our home. After that, around 12 o'clock, after 12, cake cutting will be started, and we will celebrate the birthday, and then I will hand over this gift to my Jiju. He does not know. He does not know anything. Surprise. It's a surprise. And from here, I think we should go to relish some street food, maybe anything.
Yes.
Yeah?
Street food.
No, let's go. So guys, my nephew wanted to have something, so we came to this street where you can find variety of street food. It could be anything. It could be litti chokha, swarma, pav bhaji, pani puri, soya chap, anything. After that, they had some lassi, as you can see. And having taken whatever they wanted, we boarded a cab, and we had to wait a lot for the cab, guys. It was very, very tough. We waited approx 1 hour for the cab. I had booked an Uber cab. Finally that cab came, and then we started heading towards our home. बैठ जा. So guys, finally we have got into the cab. Now we are heading towards our house. My nephew Akash is exhausted, totally exhausted. Yeah, because he had to walk a lot. We had been waiting here for the cab for more than 1 hour. 1 hour, I believe. We had not found any cab before this. Finally we have found it. Now we are heading towards our house. It was a nice shopping. For one T-shirt we
spent 4 hours.
We spent 4 hours. We could not like any T-shirt in the shopping mall, and finally we happened to select one. Let's see whether the birthday man likes it or not. And after that, and he has ordered cake, I believe.
Yeah.
He has ordered cake, and now having reached home, we'll let you know everything, guys. Okay, stay connected. Thank you.
करके लगा दो 50% हम ऑफ कर देंगे, फिर भी 25 रुपए तो बचेंगे, फालतू आएंगे.
So guys, we have just reached home. What about your cake? Delivered or not?
On the way.
On the way. The cake is on the way and we have just reached home. So जाओ जाओ
दीदी टीका लगा दे तू लगा ना तुम निकालने के बाद लगा सकते हो निकाल के ला दी ना अंगूठा से लगाए हम नहीं लेता होता
bring that इधर है bring that
बबुआ जाओ बबुआ जाओ अब इधर आ जा अच्छा इधर आ जा
अक्षत गो
जाओ जाओ
So finally he has put on और एक्सेल मुझे लगा कि बहुत टाइट आएगा बट ठीक है आगे
सही है
लूज आ गया
अच्छा आ गया बहुत बढ़िया
ठीक है गुड वन सो लुकिंग कूल
बहुत बढ़िया
सुबह में मैंने बोला था कि साला और सरहज मेरा कपड़ा छीन लिया
अरे
अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ साला और सरहज नया कपड़ा ला करके दिया और ये हमारी रिंकी साली थी है
ये और ये यहाँ बैठी है यहाँ लेटी है
देखिए
हाँ।
ये जन्मभूमि से आ गया
हाँ।
और ये ससुराल से आ गया
यस यस गुड वन गुड वन
सुबह में ही डायलॉग मारे थे हम। अभी मैं देख लीजिए
सही लोग सोचे अब विवर्स सोचे कि जन्मभूमि से साली कैसे ले आए बताओ भाई सोनपुर से लेकर आए हैं सोनपुर से
यस
दोनों बहन के ससुराल एक ही गांव में
एक ही गाँव में गुड 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 वन